Next, we're going to talk about patching channels on the console. Patch is very important because it allows you to assign exactly which channels will control which lights on your rig. When talking about patch, there's two very important things we need to discuss. The first one is the concept of a channel. A channel can be something as simple as a single fixture or as complicated as a moving light. It could also be something like a channel combined with an accessory, like a scroller, or a collection of dimmers all controlled as one. The output is the actual signal that leaves the desk to go out and control either that single dimmer or the multiple parameters required to function a moving light. To get into patch, we'll hit the browser key, arrow down to patching, and go into patch by channel or dimmer. We could also access this by just single tapping the output key. Once we're inside of the output editor, we can select an output, like 1, say output to tell it what it is, and then assign it to a channel, 1 in this case, and hit modify to set it. It's going to ask us whether we want to patch this directly to that channel, and go ahead and hit modify to confirm. We could do this in a range by saying 2, tell it what it is, an output, 4, through, and go ahead and assign that to 2. When we say modify now, we have some options. The first one allows us to patch all of those outputs directly to channel 2, or we can patch it to 3 channels starting at address 2. If we arrow down and hit modify, we now have 3 channels patched with the 3 outputs we specified. Another way to patch channels is by channel as opposed to output. We can select a channel and go ahead and assign an output. So in this case, 6 channel, 51, modify. It's going to ask us if we would like to patch channel 6 to output 51. We can go ahead and say OK. We could also do this in a range, 7 channel, 20 through, and start that at 52, modify. Same patch confirmation window comes up, this time asking if we wanted to patch 14 things starting at 52. We hit modify for OK, and it fills in the rest of our channels. Congo is really versatile in this way and can allow you to select either method to patch your show. Some other interesting things you can do inside of the output editor is select an output, in this case 4, roll up the level wheel, and be able to see exactly which output you're working with in live. This is called live patching. Great when you're working with an already hung rig and you're trying to find that specific output to patch to a channel. When you're done, just roll the wheel back down. If we're looking for a particular output, we can select an output, set the level, and then use our plus and minus keys to step through the output to find exactly which one we're looking for. When we're done, again, just roll it right down. This method will also work for channels as opposed to outputs. If we want to perform a dimmer check, we can select the first output we want to start with, set a check level by just rolling up the level wheel, and then hit either the plus or minus keys to step through our individual dimmers to take a look at exactly what's going on stage. When we're done, just scroll the wheel down.